Honorable Minister, sir, may we know what has transpired between the President and them in the meeting?
Well, yes, as you have said, the Council of Ulamas have returned to the President for the second time to give a report on their ongoing dialogue with the military junta and other stakeholders in Niger Republic. They have briefed Mr. President about the situation, and the effort is still ongoing. Mr. President has listened to them. They will continue this dialogue. Mr. President is interested in exploring peaceful options in this, but nothing is off the table. He has asked the ulamas to continue their dialogue, and they will continue to do that.
Okay. What is the next line of action?
Well, the next line of action is that dialogue will continue. Mr. President, as the head of ECOWAS, is interested in pursuing peaceful resolution of this crisis. But like I said, nothing is off the table. Mr. President has said he should continue to engage, and the ulamas will continue to do that. By the way, he has appreciated their effort to finding solution to this issue. He's encouraging them to continue, and he has thanked them, and efforts are ongoing.
Sheikh, sir, this is another attempt from you to look for a lasting solution between ECOWAS and a Republic of Niger. What direction are you taking now?
Alhamdulillah, wa sallallahu wa sallam ala nabiyina Muhammad wa alihi wa sahbihi wa man walahum bi ihsani ila yawmiddin. First and foremost, we thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for giving us the opportunity, and we appreciate and we commend the effort of His Excellency the President. And as you see, we have just met with him, and we told him all what went there in Niger, and he appreciated, and he still give us the mandate that we should continue to take this dialogue and discuss with those junta over there, because they gave us listening ear, and we are sure through peaceful discussion we'll be able to achieve what we want. And we are still going back there to ensure that through amicable way, through peaceful way, as spiritual leaders, we'll be able to do and contribute what we can be able to do. What we want is, we don't want war. We want peace to reign in our region. So may Allah continue to bless His Excellency the President for giving us this opportunity. And we want serious prayers, fervent prayers from the entire community across the region, so that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will grant us that, so that peace and harmony will continue to reign. Without peace and harmony, nothing can do. You cannot even enjoy the dividend of democracy, and you cannot even practice your religion. And I'm optimistic, inshallah, with this intervention, Allah will answer our prayers. Thank you very much.